Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and today is a B Day. Achieve 3,000 winners this week are Lydia R. and Michaela O. Nice work. Please stay on Achieve 3,000. Yesterday, Ms. Sims suggested that you click on the weekly challenge link at the beginning of your daily lesson plan, watch that video, and create an award for yourself. I agree that she is the best list maker I have ever known, ever. See what you come up with after you watch this video. See if you're inspired to name what you do best. Just a quick update on how do we finish our school year. We will keep learning together. We'll stay connected with each other. You'll be getting a plan probably today to explain how, if you have things at school that you need for the summer, how to come by and pick those up. We'll get that out to you later today. And then I also want you to know that summer online learning will happen for probably even more kids than usually do summer school. I hope that we're going to have some experiences where you can just log on and learn together with your teachers and other students and keep learning throughout the summer, no matter where you are and no matter what your family is doing. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.